Hello, I wanted to make a quick video showing how to wind and set a vintage watch. This happens to be a pocket watch which has been converted to be a wristwatch. The movement in this watch was made well over 100 years ago, long before watches were powered by batteries. There's a big spring underneath that gear that, when wound up, will power the whole gear train and make the balance wheel tick. Currently, we can start it moving, but there's no power in this spring to keep it running. To store power, we're going to turn the crown clockwise. It's best to wind and let go instead of ratcheting back and forth. You can ratchet back and forth and it won't do any damage, but there's no reason to make the ratchet work when it doesn't have to. Just wind until you're fully wound. And once it's fully wound, it will finally lock up. You can't wind it anymore. Once it locks up, don't try to keep winding it. You should see that it is ticking. If it's not ticking, give it a little shake. It'll start. And now you can set the time. Fold the crown out. Set it to the current time. Push the crown back in and put it on your wrist. It will run for at least 30 hours and won't need to be wound again until tomorrow. If you don't wear your watch daily, there's no reason to wind it. Just wind and set it every day you will wear it. If you are interested in purchasing a watch like this one, see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.